Hey, welcome to Horse Retirement Adventures again. Today, it's very humid here in Georgia, southern Georgia, southeast Georgia, right on the Georgia-Florida line. So this video is for Georgians, Floridians, and anybody else that has windows that fog up and you hate cleaning windows. So here's what I did. Tony told me to get this. I think my sister-in-law Vicky uses this. It's a squeegee. Now when your windows fog up like this, really bad like it is here, like the humidity is like 750%, you take your little squeegee and you just do this. Now what it does, not only does it get that water off, but it does a fabulous job of cleaning your windows, so you don't have to come out and clean your window. But look at that, so simple. I'm a clean freak, so is my wife, so we buy weird stuff like this. And you know where you can get this? My favorite store, where I get all my tackle. Walmart. And no, I don't get no money from Walmart, although they ought to give me something. Sit back and look at that. Well, you don't have to sit back. I'm going to sit back. And look at that. Okay, I'm going to sit back. Look. Is that perfect or what? See all those lines instead of that little where the frogs make artwork on your windows? Look at this. And you really don't want to press hard, because when I first started, I was pressing real hard. And that's not the thing to do. You want to go nice and light. This squeegee was $3.98. Now if you want to get really particular, get a rag out here with you and just wipe off the extra. Look at that. Of course I got on that window. That's okay. Perfect. That's a piece of cake. Look at that. That's like a 8-inch squeegee. Now they can get bigger ones, but I wanted to get the smaller ones so I can get in my small windows. But look at the comparison. Whoops, almost fell. Look at that. Is that not perfect? All right, thanks for watching. It's my Georgia, Southeast Georgia tip of the week. Paul out. All right, I got to show you the inside, what the difference is between using that squeegee and not using the squeegee. Look at that. Whew, that's pretty cool. It didn't take me very long. Uh-oh, sorry. But yeah, quite the difference, and it stays cleaner. So get yourself a squeegee if you live down here in southern Georgia or in Florida, and try it. I think you'll like it. It's a piece of cake. Okay, thanks for watching. Hit the like button, subscribe button. Yes, that's what I need. Subscriptions. Bye-bye. Paul out.